What is up, my YouTubers? Blue of Claws here, and today we're gonna do farm life video. Shit. Alright. So today's the day. It is snowy outside below zero. So I'm ready for it. And always me. So before the video starts, please scratch the like button and subscribe. And let's do this. Alright. What the hell is a bow at? Son of a blue. Why is it? Alright. God bless. Wait. I just want to see something. Still have it. Son of a blue. Okay. He's my good boy. He's my good boy. Now, where the hell is the boy? Back. I finally got a bow. See what I thought. Now it's time to feed the dogs. Come on, Rocky. All right. It's so big good right now. Alrighty. Gotta watch for ice because it's slippery. And I do love the snow, but I don't like ice. It's gonna be icy though. I think you thought it was. Alright. There we go. Whoa there. Okay, not bad at all. Hey.
Not ice off of the windows because I get my wipers stuck.
Alright. Well, look like we're going to the barn. You say you can't turn Shelby, you on 4 wheels? Yeah, that's what I thought. And Pappy, since you don't have a gloves for snow, why won't you hold the camera and keep recording that bullets? You know?
While you do the feeding?
Yeah.
I'll do it.
While I do the feeding. Yeah, especially that. It's probably ice, so it might be cautious about ice.
That's not long here, but you can get out. I can get out.
And then you hold the camera without getting them wet?
Yeah.
Alright, you good.
They're not wet, are they?
Nah. Nah. Let me feel. No. No, they're not. You're not ready, so hold the camera.
Alright, you do that. Oh, wait a minute. I got a finger over it. Now, I got it right here.
Alright. So.
Damn, you get old, your damn legs get stiff. Damn knees are hurting. Walker, you find a water thing. Blue, if you find a water thing, get it. There's a red thing over there. I reckon it is. I see a red thing. Yeah. All right. Damn, that thing's solid. Well, I'll be damned. Whew.
Happy?
Hey, this thermometer says it's 10 degrees out here. What are you doing?
Recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Is it a square snake?
Yeah. Put some hay on the back. Have you fed the donkeys?
Yeah.
Put some hay on the back of the truck. How's the cat's water and everything? The kittens. Did you look? It's in here.
Huh?
It's froze up.
What?
And the food's froze up. I don't know where the kittens are, do you?
It's like this. You give a call like this.
Yeah, well, I'll record you.
Damn!
We'll go down. And you open the gate.
Yeah.
We'll go through it.
Yeah. I'm putting my gloves on.
All right, put your gloves on. Wipers are trying to work, but they got so much ice there they won't work.
Well,
Can you knock it off of them? See, they're trying to work. Can you pull them up, get that ice where it's got it froze?
I hope so.
I hope you can, buddy.
That's what I thought.
There you go, Walker. Good going.
Happy?
Yeah,
Hold the phone like this. The phone goes be like this.
get the windshield. Windshield. The windshield, Walker, see if he can pull it up. See if he can pull the windshield wiper up. It's froze.
There you go.
No, knock it out from under it right there, where it can go all the way down. Get the shovel out of the back of the truck and get that ice off of it. Think you got it that time. I think so. That's good. Be careful, you'll skin the truck. Whew. Wow.
Oh, that's nice.
17 degrees.
Yeah, I love it. Love it.
And I was really appreciated you doing that.
Yeah. Yeah, there. Pappy, if you do the turn the phone like this way, it's me that goes sideways on the video. Yeah. My hands phone's by. You better back up.
I am.
Oh, shit. Yeah, we could probably go sledding over there.
All right. Can you lock the gate now? If I go out far enough?
Let's see. All right. Yeah, you're out far enough. Look at now, they've got some ice inside that snow. Hey, you better be careful. So you bust your ass. It's just like a life in Alaska. That's what it is, son. Oh, get my hand snub. Yeah, they're about to be numb. Damn. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay.
That wiper's froze up right there.
Not again.
Yeah. Here.
Oh.
Oh yeah, damn wipers froze up right there.
That's
See,
good,
you see how it? No, it won't work because that one's locked in over there. Unlock it.
Locked.
Unlock it before it burns my wiper up. I said it was that one on that side, Walker.
God, move.
And alive.
Oh, shit. Look at all this.
I know.
Frostbites.
Frostbite.
Yep. Alright. My hands just a bit numb. So you can't feel anything, that makes your hands so numb. No. Don't put them hot water on. Rocky was loose. No. He was loose. He was out of the shed. And Mom was calling him and calling him. On Dad's thing. Yeah.
I put him up. I said he's going out. That door was locked. How did he get in there?
I don't know. That's what I tell you about, Pappy. Oh, shit. Hey. Hey, boy. Hey, son. He was pretty good running outside of town. Pretty proud of him. Alright. Okay. How'd you go? How'd you go? Come on, boy. There's my boy. Because that door didn't shut all the way, and that was the reason Rocky got out. Hey.
What you got there?
Oh, nothing. He's outside now.
Oh, the board has to go in.
Put the board back in the thing there.
Too late.
Walker, it's got to. Hold the door shut. It's got to hold the door shut, honey.
Why?
The board holds the door shut. Go put the board up.
Oh.
Don't be doing that shit, Walker. That's for people that wants to have fun. I don't want to have no fucking fun out here.
Yeah, you will.
Don't be throwing eyes on me.
It's raining.
I know it.
Oh no. Did I get you?
Yeah, you got me.
Woo! What dang up?
The thing up, keep the door shut.
Over there at the shed, Walker. Put that 2x4 in there.
Walker, go do it.
You know how it goes. Do it, buddy.
Alright, guys. This is it for today's video. And as you can see, my boots, I got full of snow on them. And I got full of snow of them. See, I got full of snow. Okay, so like I say, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure please like, subscribe for more videos, and I hope I go get a longer build. And God bless you all. And Blue Wolf Call is out. Arrgh. Arrgh.